Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited because I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys. That's right. That is from Moon Crafted Essentials. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the company is called Moon Crafted Essentials. They did get a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their subscription box. And I've never heard of them before. I've never seen them before. So I thought this would be really, really neat to show you guys something completely new. So that is this right here. Before we dive into the box, what I do first when I first bring a box to my channel is tell you everything I can find about them first. This way, we kind of know what to expect before we dive into the first box. So again, it's called Moon Crafted Essentials. Their subscription box that they have is called the Moon Magick Subscription Box. They also have a candle one as well. So let's go over this subscription. Moon Magick Subscription Box, it's $47 for the box and it's $5 for shipping. Unbox the power of the moon every month. Embrace your magic and let Moon Crafted help start your mindfulness and self-care rituals with our own crafted magical delivery. So your box will contain 5 to 7 hand-picked items for the night-spirited and the lovers of all things magical and natural. Curated specially for you to help with intention setting and manifesting your deepest desires. Each monthly box can include carefully crafted candles, soaps, bath potions, as well as crystals, ritual tools, altar items, jewelry, and other lifestyle pieces. So then the candle one I was talking about, the candle one is called the Lunar Candle Club. That one is $25. Embrace the power of the moon every month with our Lunar Candle Club. Let Moon Crafted help start your mindfulness and self-care rituals today with specially crafted candles made to harness the power of the moon. Our candles utilize custom blends of essential oils, botanicals, and crystals to draw the power of the spiritual realm and natural world, helping create a mystical and magical atmosphere during any ritual or meditation. The Lunar Candle Club gives you a limited edition 8-ounce candle and a crystal or gemstone that complements the energy of the specific moon of the month, along with a candle meditation card to help you focus. So that is really neat. You have the candle, you have the crystal that corresponds, and then you will have the meditation card as well for that one. They also sell individual items, previous boxes, and just curated themed boxes all on their site as well. If you don't want to jump straight to the subscription, you can check out all of their individual items. I will link everything down below. You can definitely go and check them out. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be inside of the Moon Magick subscription box, you guys. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I don't know if this is January's. Let's see. We're going to find out. So when you first open it up, that's what it looks like. It says, always trust your magic. Yes, always trust your magic, your instincts, that kind of thing. I love it. Okay, so then once you remove the tissue paper, it says the magic starts here. And it's cute, it has a little moon phase on the sticker. So here's this little bag with all kinds of information. And then there's some wonderful goodies in there. And it smells really good too. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what's all inside. So your magic starts here, so let's start here. Let's see what is all inside. Okay, so this is February's box, you guys. This is February's Snow Moon. If this one is not available still, you can definitely reserve your spot for March's box. But this one is the February Snow Moon. So there's the card. It says correspondence, focus, strength, meditation, colors, purple, blue, and white. The stones is amethyst, jasper, and rose quartz. Herbs is peppermint, sage, and bergamot, and MYRRH. I'm not sure how you say that. The element is fire. Affirmation, I am strong and ready to face my challenges. Yes. Then we have another card. It says Moon Crafted Essentials, and it has the moon phase. So pretty. And this is February Snow Moon, and it's talking about something that is actually inside. Here's another card This is talking about something that's also inside the box I can see from here. So let me read these once I get to those two items. Let's see what else is in here. This is Moon Crafted Essentials. Hi there. Here is your Moon Crafted monthly box. We hope you love everything we picked out for you. Thanks for subscribing. I can't wait to share more with you next month. And then here is a form here. Ooh, there's stuff on both sides. So this says, welcome to the snow moon. Now it's time of perseverance and strength. Last month focused on developing plans, and now it's time to secure your roots and get ready to grow. That is awesome that every month goes with a new theme as well and around the moons. I love this. The snow box is all about strength. You will find moon correspondence and meditation cards. Now I'm gonna start telling you what's all in here. So let me not read any more of that. On the back of this sheet, you will find the meaning and uses of the Tree of Life. That's another thing that's in there. Okay, so let's skip to the bottom. We hope you love everything we picked out for you. Please let us know what you think. And then on the back, it goes over, I guess, this whole thing here of something in here. So let's start with that first. It says Tree of Life. We grow stronger together. And it tells you all kinds of information. The concept of the sacred tree, also known as the Tree of Life, which is right here, can be found in creation myths from all over the world. The Tree of Life has been spotted in art, architecture, and iconography from different cultures. The Tree of Life is a symbol of unity, representing the idea that all life on Earth is connected. Though we may branch out in various directions, each of us is part of something bigger. It honors the diversity of creation while celebrating our shared origins. And this is the Tree of Life, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look at that. So it's on like a silver ring, and then it looks like an amethyst in the root of the tree. And it's like, yeah, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is simply beautiful. I really, really like that. And you can hang it anywhere by this little thing here. So you can just hang that anywhere, and then you have the Tree of Life. It comes in this little bag, and it comes with this card. It says Rock Solid Mamas. And that must be who made it. Mandalas, Tree of Life, jewelry, chakra boards. So you can get all different stuff, I guess, from this particular company if you would like to check that out. But that is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Okay, so let's just keep on going. Let's go with the candle. So I don't know, this must be the candle that you would get if you just do the candle one maybe. I'm not quite sure, but this is Snow Moon Candle. It's 8 ounces. It's filled to the very, very top, and it feels hefty. I like how it has the clear lid. Ooh, it smells really good. I can smell like bergamot, spices, cinnamon, cloves maybe. What is all in here? Essential oil, cinnamon, anise, bergamot, okay, rosemary, thyme. There's crystals in here, which is rose quartz and C-I-T-R-I-N-E. Critrine? I'm not sure how to say that, but that is what it looks like inside, you guys. So you have all of that stuff on top. There are some crystals. I can definitely see there's some rose quartz. There's some crystals that are put down in there, and it does have the little wick, or yeah, it has a wick, but it is the, like a wood burning wick. That's what I was trying for. But that is super, ooh, I dropped a little piece. That is super pretty though, and it smells really good. I can't wait to burn this, you guys. And this says, the Snow Moon Candle Meditation. Light your Snow Moon Candle and position yourself comfortably. Breathe deep for a few minutes to center yourself. And then it gives you the whole little mantra to say, I connect to the power within and around me. I matter and make time to nurture my spirits. I am radiant and resilient. I become more confident, powerful, and strong every day. I believe in my skills and abilities. I am able to conquer all challenges with ease. I honor the snow moon and the energies of strength and potential it holds. So it gives you the mantra, and that you can meditate with that. That is really neat that it gives you all of this information and a lot of other stuff too. They're not just giving you the candle like, there you go. It's giving you like different sayings and stuff with it too. I like that. So there's the candle. So this little guy here says bonus jewelry. This month, everyone is getting a unique jewelry piece that supports strength or perseverance. Your gift is a chakra bracelet with genuine quartz, amethyst, blue lace agate, moss agate, crichton, that same one, charnelin, and granite stones. Lava rock beads can be used as oil diffusers and aromatherapy. So that was what I read, and it comes in this little bag right there. That is so cool. So let's get this bracelet out. So it has the lava rock is all like the black on the bottom, and then there's like the chakra beads for it as well. That is super pretty, you guys. So let's get this on. And you can use the lava beads as a diffuser if you wanted to put some essential oils on there, and you can breathe it through the day. But there is that. Very, very pretty. I like that bracelet, you guys. So here's that. So the next item is this, and it says Snow Moon Soap. And it has peppermint, rosemary, and lemon essential oils. This is a net weight of 3.7 ounces. It smells good and it's so pretty. It does have like a shinier top, like a glittery top to it. And then there's the side piece. The side piece. There's a side of the soap. It's not a side piece. That smells so good. I can't wait to try that in the shower. Moving right along, there are some cards in here. This says, used handmade soap before? No. 3 magic words for you. Keep it dry. Keep your bar dry when not in use, and it will last 4 to 6 weeks. And if you answered yes to that question, awesome. Turn over the card and join the Magic Cat in comfort. Well done, you. That's what's on the back of it. So it asks you a question. Have you used a homemade soap before? Yes or no. If you haven't, then it does give you the tip to keep it dry and it'll last you a lot longer. So don't allow it to sit in water or stay wet. So that's really cool that they give you like all this other information as well. New to wood wick candle? Yes. Welcome to the magic of your own portable fireplace. Please do not trim the wicks or burn more than 2 hours at a time for best results. Enjoy the tiny crackle sound and magical aroma. And no, if you're not new to them, then awesome. Turn over the card and bask in Magic's cat approval. And there's the cat approval for this card. So that's really neat. Like I said, they're giving you more information and they're asking, have you used this before? Yes or no. And then they give you a little tip if you haven't. That's so neat. Okay, so now we have is a Snow Moon Bath Potion to use. Add contents to warm running water and immerse yourself in the magic for external use only. Yes. And that's what that looks like. Let's get it open and see what the inside looks like. I do not take baths, you guys, but I do know somebody who definitely does. So all my bath products I give to them, or some of them I do save and use as like a foot soak. Ooh, this smells really good. And you can see like the salts, and you can see like there's dried flowers and everything in there. Ooh, that would be a good bath. I just don't take baths. So I don't know if I'll use this for a foot soak or give to somebody to use as the bath potion, but that's awesome that that is in there. And for that, there's even a meditation card for it as well. So this says, draw a warm bath and light your snow moon candle. Position yourself comfortably in the bath. Breathe deep for a few minutes to center yourself. Begin washing with the Snow Moon soap. Okay. I connect to the power within and around me. I feel the seeds of change within me. My energy is increasing every day. I am responsible for my actions, but not those of others. Yes. I am strong and ready to face my challenges. I am ready to grow into my future. I honor the snow moon and the energies of strength and potential it holds. That is so cool. That's awesome. There is this little, it says cotton pouch. Keep your skin and drains clean by putting your bath potions in here. Don't like baths? Fill salts for a foot soak or get wet and rub all over your skin in the shower. That's a good thing. Or if you are using it like in your bath or whichever, you can stick some inside here. You can knot it up and toss that in so it stays inside of here. So like all the little pieces that are in here won't be going down your drains. They've covered you on everything. I've never seen anybody give you a little bag before to use with bath salts. Never. I get a lot of boxes and I get a lot of bath stuff. So that is really neat that they've thought of everything. So then the last item that is in here is in this really cute bag, which has stars and moons on it. And it's this big old amethyst right here. So it says Amethyst, meditation, calming, intuition, and courage. The other side had a picture, but it's gone. It just flew across my room. So here is the amethyst, you guys. That is a really good size too. A lot of other boxes that I have, when they give you the one stone or the one crystal for the month, it's always really, really small normally. This is actually a good size. So that's the first thing that I'm noticing. This is a bigger size crystal than any other one that I have received when you get your monthly crystal. But that is a really good size, you guys. That's a really good size. So that is everything that came in this box. I'm actually really liking this box. I love how much attention to detail that they put in it. I like all of the different mantras and everything that they're giving you to set the different meditations for the different things. If it's the candle, if it's the bath salts, if it's the soap, whichever. I really, really like that. So that is everything that we got, you guys. Going over a really quick recap, we have the bath potion salts that you can use for a foot soak or for a bath. You have the amethyst. You have this beautiful tree of life with the amethyst on there as well. You have an amazing smelling soap bar. And then you have this candle and a bracelet. Like, oh my gosh, this candle, I cannot wait to burn, you guys. It smells so good, and I can't wait to burn it because I think it's gonna smell amazing. So that is everything that came in this February box. Go ahead and comment down below, what did you think of the items that they sent in their box? What are you thinking of this company? Have you ever heard of them before? Have you ever seen any of their boxes? What do you think? Give me all the details down below. I greatly appreciate them sending me this box to show you guys. I'm super excited that it was a really good box. So there's that. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.